Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's great to have you back here. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on this look right here. It's peachy, it's goldy, it has a, it's cute for the summer. That's all I'm gonna say. It's a nice nude gloss. So if you want to learn how to achieve this look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I brought you guys in closer. I hope this is close enough for us to, connect. Today I'm going to use the KYLIE Royal Peach palette. This is my favorite palette, especially for summer. You guys can see that I use it a lot. I'm going to go into this shade right here. This is called Sorbet. I feel pretty good today. It's a Monday. I feel pretty productive. Today's was my fourth week on keto. I lost 11 pounds. Everybody, yay! Lost 11 pounds. That's not working out, guys. I haven't worked out this whole time doing keto. I've been so busy, but I feel like now that I kind of know what keto is about, I want to put my body to the test of working out and losing the fat that I'm eating so that I can lose more weight. Oh, and I'm using a BeBella NG325 brush. I'm going to continue to put that shade into my crease and a little bit above to create that transition. Now that that shade is in my crease, I'm going to go ahead and go into Peachy with that same brush. I'm putting that shade Peachy right in my crease. Just swirling it in there. I feel like now you guys get the point of blending. I feel like it's been said so much by other YouTubers. It is super important to blend. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? To deepen my crease, I'm going to go into this shade right here. This is Cinnamon with the BeBella Tools 776. This KYLIE palette is one of my favorite palettes from her brand. I think that it's so versatile for summer and just for I took it for Coachella and this is all I took. Just because it has those colors, it has those goldy bronzy vibes and peachy, and I love a peach eye. Lately it's been my zing. So I put the cinnamon shade all over my lid and I'm going to go back into Peachy just to make sure that there's no creasing or there's, so that it looks seamless. Y'all know the drill. With my finger, I'm going to go into Duke. I feel like your finger gives you the best pigmentation. And I'll put that right in the middle of my eye. Duke is such a pretty coppery peach shade. And I'm putting it all over my lid. I'm going to go into Duchess and Queen Bee to put on the center of my eye to give it a more goldy, beachy vibe. This is probably one of my favorite eye looks because it's so fast and so easy. And it's pretty. It's pretty. I'm going to make it more peachy and I'm going to go back into that peachy shade and just tap it around my eye and around that gold. Just so that, y'all get the idea that it's a peachy look. Okay guys, I put some Lilly lashes on. These are the style LYLA. These are very flirty. They're just cute. For primers, I'm going to use the Professional by Benefit and the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Primer. I did moisturize my face when I did my eyebrows, okay guys? So don't come for me if y'all think I didn't moisturize, okay? My face automatically feels so different with that. For foundation, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Ultra HD and Y245. I'm going to grab a beauty blender, dab into the product, and just go in. Blend, 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 blend. For concealer, I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in light medium. Blending it out with the beauty blender. I forgot to put on my eye cream. I'm going to set with the RCMA No Color Powder. I'm going to give myself a quick tan with the MAC Studio Fix Powder in NC42. I'm gonna go ahead and start baking my under eye. Kind of doing this new trick where I bake my under eye and my nose to create a contour nose without using contour. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm kind of just putting the translucent powder right where I usually do my 2 lines to contour, and then right in the center to give it that brightness. So now for my under eye, I'm going to do the same exact steps that I did for the top. Going into that sorbet color, putting it in my under eye. Going into peachy now. I'm going to go into cinnamon now, and I'm just going to drag that all over my under eye. I'm going to go ahead and contour my face with Tart's Park Avenue Princess Bronze. What I like about it is that it's waterproof and it blends so nicely. Is it me? Or does this bronzer have highlight? This is weird. This is very, very weird. For blush, I'm going to use the BeBella blush palette with a NG307 by them. I'm going to go into this shade right here and a little mix of this one. To give myself more of a bronze, I'm going to use Take Home the Bronze by the Balm and Thomas. Jam. Jam. I'm going to use the Desi X Katie in collab with Dose of Colors Fuego Highlight. This is my all-time favorite. For my lips, I'm going to go ahead and use ColourPop X Shayla in Quickie. That's cute. Very cute. It's going to be a nudie, super glossy look. So I'm going to add Starlit by Fenty Beauty. It has like a pinky iridescent under it, but it's an amazing gloss. That's it for this video, guys. If you like this look and if you liked this tutorial and want more videos like this, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the post notification bells, and put it in the comment section below what kind of videos you guys want to see. If you want to see vlogs, if you want to see more makeup tutorials, if you want to see, you know, I want to know what you guys think and what you guys want to see. Okay, guys? I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.